up, Machine Freaks? So as you guys know, I hit 100,000 subscribers. That's awesome. Thank you all very much. I couldn't have done it without you. I never thought, you know, just being a small town kid liking dirt bikes would get me as famous as it has. But it's changed life up a lot off of YouTube. A lot of people like me more, and some people hate me more. So it depends what side of the spectrum you're on. Yes, I've brought 100,000 people to me on YouTube, but I've also pushed a lot of people away. We're losing this neighbor, we're losing that neighbor, and this neighbor's moving to Florida soon. So everybody hates me here. We make a lot of noise here, we have a lot of fun, and I guess people don't enjoy fun. I love fun. Fun's the best. Screw them neighbors, we'll have more fun without them anyway. If they don't want any part of it, then I guess they do gotta get away from the old Machine Freak. So we're gonna let life sort itself out, but YouTube is gonna stay, man. You guys showed me a lot of support. You guys brought me back. The haters never pushed me away. It was just life got in the way, and I let it get to me. I shouldn't have, but you guys definitely sent me some awesome words of wisdom. You sent me some awesome comments, and you guys showed me some true support, so that's why I came back. Haters are never gonna get to me. The haters are just, they're helping me put money in my pocket. That's all I have to say. They're helping me buy new things, so thank you very much, haters. Thank you very much. But I want to thank all you awesome viewers, all you true Machine Freaks that watch all the videos and enjoy watching me be as goony as I possibly can, and have a good time with it. We're gonna have snow coming here pretty soon. Plan on going into snowmobile vlogging. We did the dirty vlog, we did the moto vlog, now we're gonna do the snowmobile vlog. I don't think there's any big snowmobile vloggers, so hopefully I'll be the biggest one. I will be the biggest one if I do it, I guess. I'm thinking about getting an Apex. What do you think? A Yamaha Apex? Are you serious? You gotta go with the Skidoo. I don't know, dude. The Yamaha's got the power, and I hear it's got the better suspension. So I'm thinking I'm gonna go with the Apex. See that the neighbor's got a sale pending thing in their yard, so hopefully they'll be gone soon. Can't wait for the snow to fly, change some things up a bit. Going from wheels to tracks and skis, man. Should have a hell of a time. If I go with the Apex, the thing will have more horse than my frickin' truck. Cheers, dude. That shit's good. Man, I'm getting all excited. Here, hold this. I'm gonna go welcome the new neighbor. What is this? Root beer? He's trying to poison me. Where the hell is he going? The cops are gonna be here for sure. He's gotta be sugar high as hell. I'm all fucked up on root beer! You can't be doing this or the cops are gonna be here now. I'm getting the hell out of here. No wonder why the fucking neighbors hate us so goddamn much.